If you've ever told yourself, "If women only knew what a great guy I was, I wouldn't have any trouble getting dates," this program is for you. I'm going to show you how to get the best version of yourself in front of hundreds of beautiful women using dating websites. I'll guide you step by step and show you how to set up dates with women anytime you want. Everything is designed to be fast, so you'll see results within days, not weeks or months. Here's what you're going to learn. Over 25 email openers that you can send to a woman right now. These are the emails I've used to get thousands of responses from women. Pages 5 to 29. How to create that "I gotta meet you" feeling inside a woman every time she reads your emails. Page 57. A sneaky email tactic that makes a woman feel like she's known you forever, so she'll trust you like an old friend. Page 52. 5 words to include at the end of your email that challenges a woman. This pushes her to write you back because she'll feel the need to validate herself to you. Page 43. How I got one woman so addicted to my emails, she wouldn't turn her computer off until she went to bed to ensure she never missed a message from me. Page 54. The magic phrase that makes the process of getting to know a woman 10 times more fun and exciting. Page 49. 9 techniques that instantly let you know if a woman is worth your time. Use these to weed out the attention whores who just waste your time and money. Page 37. How to ease a woman's fears about online dating by taking the 7 scenarios she's most afraid of and turning them into something playful and flirty. Page 40. How to tease a woman playfully when she misbehaves so that she constantly seeks approval from you. Page 44. How to build a deeper connection with a woman by transforming dull, everyday questions into stimulating conversations that engage her on an emotional level. Page 51. The exact sentence I use in my emails to ask women out. To this day, I've never had a woman say no. Page 64. 5 ways to screen a woman that lets you know if she's worth meeting in person. Once you know these, you'll never spend months chasing the wrong woman again. Page 55. The correct way to ask a woman for more pictures without sounding like a creep or a pervert. Page 53. A simple technique to send her objections about meeting a guy from the net into the past, where they belong. Page 66. How to punish a woman in a fun way whenever she takes too long to write you back. Page 58. How to email a woman a second time without sounding desperate. Use my special follow-up message that makes her feel guilty for not replying back to your first email. Page 31. And much, much more. To get Boy Clicks Girl or to see a complete review, click on the link that appears in the description below this video.